Hey, welcome back to another episode here. Today we've got a unboxing, the first one I've done here. So it's going to be a lunchbox, and I plan on taking to Alaska with me. The name on the product is Andmenow, Andmenow lunchbox. And also I've got a companion pack of utensils here with it. So let's dive in and open it up and see what we've got. Okay, let's go ahead and open this here on the side first. It's pretty straightforward, hopefully. A little more difficult than you would think. Goodness. There we go. I'll have links to all of these products in the description below too if you want to check it out on Amazon. All right, there we go. So we have tongs, spatula, and there we go. And those little suckers right there. So we'll go ahead and put those out of the way. We'll get into the unboxing here. Okay, this is a nice case. It's very impressive. Nothing else in the box. Some product information here. You can go ahead and pause that, take a look at it. Some safety precautions here. Go ahead and pause the screen there and take a look. All right, go ahead and set this out of the way, and we will get into the main course, if you will. Nice zippered case to it. Always nice to see. Oh, nice. Kind of a heat retentive packaging there. Go ahead and open that up. There's a nice handle. A couple of clips there to keep the lid on secure. There's a nice gasket on the lid. On the side we have another separate little container. We have two power cords. We have a AC power cord and we have a DC power cord. And it even comes with a fork and a spoon. Imagine that. Check that out. I'll lay all this out so you can get a look at it. Comes with an instruction manual. Take a look at that there. All right. There's the safety precautions on the back once again if you wanted to stop and take a look. Get this unwrapped here. Pan comes out. So it's a removable pan that Appears to be stainless. Heating unit. There's a couple buttons there on the front. There's the plug ports on the side there, it looks like. There we go. All right. Very good. All right. We will go ahead and use the AC part today. I do plan on using the 12 volt with the solar power station I have. I have a Jackery 1000, and it should power it with no issues. Go ahead and plug this in here. Get that plugged in off camera. That would go in there like so. That would fit in there if you'd like. All right. Let me get this plugged in. We'll be right back. Okay, I thought I would go ahead and just plug it into Jackery here just to see how we're looking on power. Looks like it's drawing about between 83 and 86 watts, which isn't bad at all. And I've got that plugged into the AC side right now. Okay, we're back now. Like I just said, I went ahead and plugged it into the Jackery. Yeah, it looks like we're drawing about 70 to anywhere between 70 to 86 watts, which isn't too bad for this device on AC. Went over and got a great can of soup, can opener. Not that it's needed, but always helps to open it a little bit. I did plug it in, put the pan in there, and as you can see, the light is on. So it is getting hot. It is quite warm in there already. And then in the instructions it says make sure you put cooked food in here, so it's probably not designed to actually cook food. It's more of a warmer than a cooker. I guess if you left it in there long enough it would cook it as well. So all right, got that put in there. We will go ahead and put the lid on, and we will come back here in a little bit and see how long it takes. We'll have a nice hot meal. Be right back. Okay, one thing I did notice here, in the case itself, there's no place for the cord to go through, so you will need to cook it outside of this, because it won't work with the cord plugged in inside the case. So I just want to clear that up there real quick. And the lid does take a little bit of effort to snap down there so it's secure. There is a gasket around that lid, so it takes a little bit of force to get that to close properly. No place to put the utensils in there, it looks like. Maybe. There we go. All right. Maybe. It does say the exhaust cover must be open before heating, so it's not to affect the normal usage. Might see what this is here. Oh, okay. Yep. Push down on it. Lets the steam out. Got it. Silverware doesn't fit down in there too well, does it? Have to leave that out. There we go. All right, it's cooking. We'll come back here in a few minutes and see how it's doing. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, it's still drawing about 88, 89 watts. Been cooking for almost 30 minutes now, so let's take a look and see how it tastes. Okay, let's take a look and see what we have here. Make sure we vent the steam. Take the lid off. No condensation on the lid. Smells good. Pretty warm. It's not like boiling, but it's definitely warm enough to eat. Yep, very good. So about 30 minutes is what you need for soup, at least. So I think we'll call that a win. So I'll go ahead and leave links in the description down below if you want to check it out on Amazon. And look forward to the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.